AME introduces a new concept of safety, Amesphere, an active prevention solution that prevents collisions between vehicles and people working in common areas. The system consists of an UWB LPS technology sensor that is fitted above the vehicle, a junction box, and a display with a SIM card inside the driver's cab. The sensor detects with centimeter precision the position of pedestrian workers wearing an active tag within danger zones. The LPS tag is battery-powered and can be recharged using a wireless charging pad. The status of the tag is checked at the plant entrance checkpoint, which can also be connected to a turnstile or door, thus creating a true access control. Drivers can log into the system using their company badge or other technologies, such as RFID or the tag itself. Once the driver is on the vehicle, this tag is automatically inhibited to prevent false alarms and is activated again when the driver gets off the vehicle, which ensures safety. The detection range of the Amesphere system can be static or adaptive. If static, through a simple and user-friendly interface, both the shape and size of the range can be adjusted by creating pre-warning and warning zones for both pedestrians and vehicles. When a pedestrian wearing a tag enters the danger zone, a visual and sound alert warns the driver about the pedestrian's position. No need for a direct tag sensor contact. Tags are detected regardless of blind spots, poor visibility, or warehouse infrastructure. The vehicle deceleration function can be associated to an alert activation. Once the tag exits the danger zone, the vehicle can resume operation. The same functions can be used for vehicle-to-vehicle communication, with a white display alerting the position of the other vehicle. If adaptive, based on a defined safe zone, the system automatically adjusts the detection range according to speed, direction, and other parameters, and signals only cases of real danger. As it can be seen, when the vehicle is stationary, the system has a reduced safe zone. As soon as the vehicle moves, the area adapts to the level of potential risk by calculating the braking distance needed to avoid collisions, thus maintaining total safety. Amesphere anticipates danger by warning the driver about the presence and position of pedestrians, even in cases of poor visibility, such as blind spots or entries to aisles. Due to its adaptive mode, the system only slows down vehicles when there is an actual level of risk. As soon as the pedestrian wearing a tag exits the path, the vehicle resumes its speed, thus optimizing safe handling efficiency. Not only pedestrians can be detected, Amesphere can also detect other vehicles equipped with the same system. In this case, the driver is warned via a sound and visual signal that there is a danger of collision. By introducing simple company procedures, even visitors and guests can be equipped with tags as well, thus ensuring they are protected while within the operational zone. Guests and visitors are detected by the system, and so the driver knows their position. To further optimize productivity, protected areas can be created too, such as zones delimited by barriers, or offices where visitors can stay, and within which the tag is disabled to avoid false alarms. Amesphere can also communicate with other sensors installed in the plant at danger zones, such as blind spots, aisle exits, or pedestrian crossings. Thanks to this, the vehicle's performance within the zone created by the sensor can be managed, like in this case, where the vehicle is only slowed down when near the intersection. Sensors can also be fitted at the exits of operational zones to verify if the tag has been duly left at the company.